Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about artificial intelligence and human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is basically when things are done by machines and we just do the codes, prompts to the AI and they form something for us that is transformed structure and doesn't have any connection to us. But at the same time, human intelligence basically when we are connected to that place or we are connected to that problem and we are generally have something connection to it. But as AI we just have a robotic language, but in a human intelligence we feel things in a deeper. So the next question is, does AI gonna take our jobs or not? The solution and the answer to that is AI will never take a job. It's just a transformation in a dynamic environment. As we are living in the market, there has been lot of transformational shift that has been happened from the ages, and none of the transformation have took the jobs of any of the individual. They have just transform the job of that individual. So how, as a MBA student, what kind of skills or what kind of certifications or things that we should do to be present, to show our presence in a dynamic environment? First we should be very good with like what kind of AI tools are there. We should be just doing just hit and trial with the different tools and using different prompts, and we should can do a certain certification from Coursera, Udemy, and applied in the real life to be more actual about what's happening in a dynamic environment. And the AI will never take a job. There's a transformation that happened earlier before 2000, and none of the digital transformation have took the job of any of the individual. It's just a shift, and that gonna make you stronger. Like it gonna make some of the workload less and it can transform. But at the same time, as human intelligence thing, like human intelligence have to make the decision AI can't do. Human intelligence do the structured thinking well with the different situation, and if the human is put into a different situation, human deal in a different manner. In AI we just have to do the prompts and add things just to make that activate. But in real life things doesn't go like that, and even in a corporate world, as an MBA student, we should not be taking care of that AI will take our job. We should transform ourselves, we should use the tools to be handy with AI, and we should transform to upskill ourselves to be show our presence in a dynamic environment. Thank you so much for watching my video.